What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and in today's video, we're going to Moxi Skate Camp West, and we're gonna ask a bunch of different roller skaters what they're working on and watch them work on it. Queer Girl Straight Skates! Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you love roller skating, or if you want to love roller skating, then go ahead and hit subscribe and click that notification bell so you can get notified when I post, which is every week. And head on over to cheerstothequeers.com where you can get a bunch of really great, awesome, rad accessories and skate accessories, socks, stuff that's amazing. And it all supports this channel and supports me. What's your name?
My name's Tamara. My pronouns are her, she, because I'm sweet like chocolate.
And what are you working on?
I'm working on doing the yellow down rail at the H stair.
All right, let's try it. Okay.
Hi, my name is Kate, aka Skates and Fries on Instagram, and today I'm working on 180ing an A-frame.
All right, let's try it. Okay. Yeah! One more, okay. Yes! Yeah!
I'm Allie.
And what are you working on right now?
I'm working on backflips.
Yay! Show me.
Oh yeah, sure, let's try it.
All right, let's try it.
I'm working on it.
All right.
Okay, I'm working.
Yeah, that's the point.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
You can do it.
Last minute.
You were so close. You'll get it. What's your name?
Cami.
And what are you working on right now?
My friendships with all my lovely friends. Oh, okay. Kayla convinced me to do a top acid today.
All right. Can I see you work on it? Can I see you try it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do it.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Even been spotted for back
Okay.
If you're okay.
They have a double
Okay.
stop.
I'm not gonna pressure you.
Go.
I'm not gonna pressure you, but
Yeah.
And you just do this kind of spot, low back.
Yeah. And
okay.
Okay, regular acid is your front foot is like this, right? Which is very, very, very hard. Like that. And so I'm trying to do a top acid, which is the opposite foot. So this foot is like this, and that is like this.
Okay.
So
Depends the way you stand too.
okay. You gotta sit more.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay. I need a little help. I hear.
Ooh.
Sit, right? Yeah.
Sit and look at the ledge.
Oh, that looked like that was like it.
That was locked for you to sit.
Okay, I gotta sit.
Yeah. Just shoot it up.
Oh, yeah.
What's your name?
Hey, my name is Rebel.
And what are you working on?
Hey, you know what? I'm working on 50/50s really, really badly. But I'm working on them.
Can I see you try them?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Okay. Okay, first I'm working on this.
Hey!
I didn't lock it. Wait.
Wait, we gotta lock this. Oh, yeah, that's a lock.
That's a lock.
We need a lock. It's like a key box. You just unlock the treasure.
Oh my God.
I gotta get the feet. Gotta get the feet. Woo!
don't think I could jump on it yet.
Yeah, you can. Lock the first foot, back foot, and then sit, remember? On, and then right back on.
Oh my God.
You got it. Take a deep breath. Imagine yourself doing it. Step on, jump off, right back on. Yes, yes. Right back on. Right back on. Woo! Here. Anyway. Right back on. Level.
My name is Ace.
And what are you working on right now?
I'm working on some really strong airs with grabs.
Nice. Can we see them?
You can!
Yeah.
Okay.
Go do it. Oh my God, wait, Ace. You look so good on this background. Oh, like, yeah. It's...
Do you want me to dip?
Ooh, okay. Oh, wow.
I'm not really flirting with the camera as much as I'm flirting with Rebel.
So cinematic. I love it. And we're doing the fly out zone. That's right, it's the bag. All right.
Here we go.
Here we go. Woo!
Okay, I'm gonna try to go more grabby.
Okay, okay.
More grabby.
Nice. Oh, nice work.
Maybe I should go this way.
Ooh, that would look cool. That would look cool.
Okay, so I'll like kind of turn this. Okay, here we go.
Got it. Ooh! Wait, I loved that. That was amazing. The way you just fell on your side was so good. I don't know why, but that made me so happy.
So inspiring.
So inspiring. Great job. What are you working on right now?
Alley-ooping a little hip.
All right, let's see it.
Okay, we're gonna go over here. Woo! I got some.
Woo! Nice.
My name's Liv.
And what are you working on right now?
Right now, oh my gosh, I don't know the name, but I'm working on being as cool as Taylor. So last night we had a limbo contest right over here, and there were some people with some mad skills. There was a girl that was like super wide squatting, getting like really, really low, like full tuck. She got through. I think she was like one of the last 3 people, but then it was really awesome. Jaquan was like doing some kind of backwards shoot the moon all the way down situation like this. But Taylor won because she does this trick where she takes off one of her skates and then like gets into an itty bitty tiny squat and then puts it on her tailbone and lays all the way back. And I want to learn that, so I'm working on it.
All right, let's see it.
Okay, let's see. First of all, Taylor's awesome, and she had no problem sharing all her tips and tricks. She wants me to succeed, and one of the tips is getting ready and loosening your skate so it's easy to take off. So we're gonna start with that. I'm still not a pro, but I'm thirsty, so I'm willing to try. Okay, so you pop it off, and then you get low, and then you put it under.
Oh my God, you did it! Yes!
She's a really good coach.
Wow, that was awesome. Great job.
Only gets better from here.
So much.
Hi, I'm Cece.
And what are you working on?
I'm working on backsides.
Can we see you try?
Yes, of course.
All right, let's go. Ooh! You want to give it one more go? Can I? Yeah. Think about sitting down into it once you get up there. Yes! Yeah! Yeah!
Thanks, Rebel.
Yeah, you did it!
Thanks, Val.
Fuck yeah.
My name is Jamie.
And what are you working on?
A deck slide.
All right. Are you gonna do it over there?
Yep.
All right.
Yeah, hit it, Jen.
You! Nice!
Not the first solid.
I know! First solid on camera.
Hey, what's your name?
Sierra.
And what are you working on?
I'm carving bowls.
All right, can I see you try?
Yes.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Awesome. Hell yeah. Nice. Yeah. What are you working on?
We're working on hot dog and alley-oop hot dog in one unit hot dog.
Can I see you try it?
Yeah, ready? Bro. Here, I'm gonna squat down so you can see better. Is that good? Yeah, that's better.
Hey, what's your name?
Oh, already?
Yeah, what's your name?
Molly.
And what are you working on right now?
My full calves.
Can I see you try? Yeah! Hell yeah! Woo! What's your name?
Stephanie,
And what are you working on right now?
backside slides.
Can I see you try?
You can see me try.
Yeah! Woo! Yes. Yeah! Woo!
Hi, I'm Drusa. I'm working on a backside.
All right, let's see it.
It doesn't exist yet.
That's okay. Yes, let's go. Nice. We're getting there. Nice job.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Emily,
And what are you working on?
I am working on rails.
All right, can we see it?
Yeah.
Awesome! Thanks so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to support me or support this channel, head on over to cheerstothequeers.com where there's all sorts of fun accessories, roller skate accessories, cute stuff that you can get and get for yourself or get for your friends, whatever. And more importantly than that, cheers to the queers!